Have you ever wondered why you keep on attracting wrong people all the time? Toxic friendships, draining relationships, people who just want to take and take. But what if I told you this wasn't a coincidence? Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Nishtha, an author, public speaker, and a thought leader who is passionate about self discovery and personal growth. Most of the people believe toxic relationships happen to them, but that's not true. Attraction isn't random, it is based on your beliefs, patterns, and energy. We attract what's familiar, not what is good to us. And if chaos is all that you've known, then peace starts to feel boring. If you don't set standards, life will set it for you. And trust me, bare minimum is never enough. Sometimes we confuse attention for love, so we end up tolerating people who drain us just because we think they care. So, if you keep on attracting the wrong people, it's time to stop looking at them and to start looking at yourself. So, let's get real. How do you know you are stuck in a toxic attraction loop? Here are three signs you need to watch out for. You ignore the red flags again and again. Your gut tells you something is wrong, yet you stay. You end up justifying their behavior, thinking someday they will change. Sounds familiar? You keep giving to people who don't give you back. When someone remembers you only because they want something from you, that is not a relationship, that's convenience. You settle for potential and not reality. You end up staying with what they could be instead of what they actually are. Potential doesn't build relationships, but actions do. If any of these hit home, don't worry, I've been there too, and here's how we can change it. Step 1, reprogram your standards. Curate a list of non negotiables, not preferences, but real deal breakers. If someone can't respect that, then you know they don't deserve to be in your life. Step 2, stop trying to fix people. You are not a rehab center for broken people. It is not your job to heal them. Your job is to protect your peace. Step 3, change your energy. If you want to attract better, you need to be better. So, work on your confidence, your self worth, and growth. The right people will rise and meet you there. At the end of the day, the kind of people you allow in your life is a reflection of what you truly believe you deserve. So, if you want better, you really need to believe that you deserve better. So, no more tolerating, no more settling, no more making excuses for the people who wouldn't do the same for you. If this message hit home, let me know in the comments. Have you ever had to let go of someone who wasn't right for you? Let's talk. And if you're ready for more deep talks like these, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications because trust me, we are just getting started.